Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, long overdue, that I've been showing my face on this YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you guys a simple, quick, cute beat that I usually do when I don't want to do too much, but just enough, if you know what I mean. So this will be a no foundation look. Let's get into the beat. So the first step in having your makeup last all day is to make sure you have a really good primer. So I'm using the e.l.f. Grip Primer with 4% Niacinamide, and I'm going to let this fully absorb into my skin before proceeding with any next steps. Now, I'm no expert when it comes to brows, so I'm just going to fill in my brows as best as I can, and I'm making sure to focus on the ends, which are sparser for me, and I'm using a brow pencil from Revlon, and I believe it's in the color dark brown.
So bad I started up a league. Fuck with me, you niggas can't trouble me from the double tree. Step your sweets up. I get Oliver to set the beats up.
Then I'm gonna go in with the best concealer ever, which is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm using this in the color Warm Sand. Taking the applicator and applying a little bit under my right eye, and then doing the same thing on the left. And then I'm gonna always extend up to that upper corner just so I can have that snatched under eye look. And then I'm gonna apply some on my chin, and then a little bit down the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. These are all the places we're gonna highlight, and then I'm gonna take that concealer and let it dry a little bit, and then also add some down on the side of my nose and also above my lip. Next, I'm going in with the black Opal True Colors contour stick in the color Beautiful Bronze. And I want to focus this right above my cheekbones, so my jawline, my forehead, and then on the sides of my nose. Y'all, blending out contour is definitely scary because it looks like it's not moving, but you have to just take your time and continue to blend. Like really blend, 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 blend. And y'all, I went in with my contour before blending out my concealer because I just wanted to let that sit for a while just so it can be as full coverage as possible. After blending out my contour, now I'm going to go in and blend out my concealer, and again blend, 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 making sure that I'm keeping the concealer in the exact places that I put it at. I don't want to extend it out super far, so I'm making sure that I'm following the guidelines that I already set for myself with the concealer. After you're done blending, you can go in to cover up any blemishes that you may have. I'm just covering up these two little pimples that I have, and I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to take that same concealer and clean up underneath my brows. Again, y'all, I'm no brow master, so I'm just doing the best that I can, and then I'm just making sure that after I take the concealer, I'm blending it out.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you.
Now it's time to set the face. So I'm taking my powder puff and I'm using the back of my hand and patting to get off the excess. And then I'm blending out my concealer first. So make sure you're taking your damp beauty blender, blending out underneath your eyes so there are no creases, because the way your under eye looks is the way it's going to set. So I'm taking a light hand and I'm pressing the powder underneath my eyes and everywhere else that I put concealer. And I'm using the True Complexion loose setting powder in the color Translucent. Next, I'm going to go in and just dust off some of the excess, but if you use the right amount, you really shouldn't have to do this. You should be able to just press that powder right into the skin. Next, I'm going to go in with bronzer because you want to make sure you're setting all your cream products with the powder. So I use the cream contour, so now I'm going to go in with the powder bronzer. And this bronzer, I've had it for a really long time, so it's super old. And I have no idea what color it is, but I know it's from Makeup Forever. And I put some on my eyelids as well. Next, you're going to go in with your favorite mascara and do your bottom and top lashes. Now I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Polish Blush Duo in Volume 4, and I'm going to use a sweeping motion to get the best blush placement, and I'm also combining both of these colors together. And y'all, this is when the blush blindness kicks in. Like, I overuse blush so much, so I'm putting blush everywhere, like my cheeks, my eyes, everywhere. So next I'm going to go in and set my makeup with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Setting Mist. And y'all, I was so distraught that my Juvia's Polish lip pencil was broken, and I was not able to use it because the point wasn't pointing. So I was just like, let me just transition, and I decided to use a lip liner from Maybelline, and I believe it's in the color Raw Chocolate. So that's what I'm doing to fill in my lips. And y'all, I usually like to overline, but I didn't. I like overlined a tiny bit on the bottom, but not too much. Let me know y'all favorite lip combos down below because I'm definitely trying to diversify and see what lip combos would work on me. For my last step, I'm going to go in with my Fenty gloss in the color Fruit Snacks, and I love me a good Fenty gloss. I actually need to get some more colors. But y'all, yeah, this is the final look. I hope that this was super beginner friendly, and let me know what other makeup looks y'all want to see from me. This is the final beat. I hope that this tutorial was very helpful for my girls who are trying to get into makeup or who just want to learn how to do a soft, simple glam with no foundation. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Bye!